Hello, Mr. Wittmann. Thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us. What does Ossberger actually do?
Hello, Mr. Gumich. In addition to hydropower systems and machines for cleaning technology, Ossberger also manufactures machines for plastics technology, which are known under the name press blower. The plastics technology systems are known for their exceptional repeatability and precision in the production of bellows. These bellows are used worldwide in the automotive industry.
Now, you have a very special machine on display here. What is it that actually makes this machine so special?
As I said before, our machines are known under the name press blower and enable very repeatable, precise bellows production. The DSC 530 being exhibited here is special because it represents a huge application that is found in vehicle air suspension systems and uses the materials TPU and TPV.
Unter dem Einsatz der Materialien TPU und TPV.
And you've also used Beckhoff components in this. What components do you use and what is so special about them? What benefits do you get from them?
Von Beckhoff nutzen wir neben der Hardware.
In addition to hardware, we use the AX8000 servo drive from Beckhoff, plus terminals, of course, and drives, as well as the TwinCAT 3 software and the plastic framework. The real benefit from the plastic framework, for example, is the use of wall thickness control or temperature control, which allows us to achieve this highly accurate, precise control of the bellows.
Aussteuerung der Faltenträger erlaubt.
We are now long-standing partners. What do you value about the partnership, especially in terms of development?
Wir empfinden die Zusammenarbeit.
We find the cooperation with our colleagues in Fell and Nuremberg very pleasant, and we enjoy the support that we receive in the process of making control systems more advanced, especially at development level.
Thank you.
My pleasure.